I feel like I came in flat, like I was not worthy. Like, oh, it's, I'm like one of these guys that just doesn't do nothing in life. I'm just there. I just live my life and try to do a job, and I'll earn a little money to keep my life alive till I die. And in that, I will have to raise my son, and it got so low that I thought that was even too much hard work for me. I just don't seem to be able to go on and do it and just live a life. And from there on, I definitely feel more empowered, like I'm going somewhere. I am somebody and I'm going somewhere. I feel in my daily life, especially mingling with people, working with people, that I've just more empowered and just have a better um, an outlook and just feeling about people. And I feel like I don't take nonsense like I used to have with people, and that is a good feeling. Like I feel stronger. That is definitely a an up. It hasn't been, not for a long time at least. But yeah, no, it feels good. It feels wow.